Let's make some pumpkin gnocchi. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another episode of Meatless Monday. In today's episode, we'll be making some pumpkin gnocchi, as you can see from the title. This is a two-part video. I have one coming up on Wednesday, hopefully. What I did here, I roasted some pumpkin in the oven for about an hour. And what I have here now is from the roasted pumpkin, I mash it with the fork there. So I'm going to get started on making the gnocchi. What I have in my dish here is a cup of flour that has been sifted. And to that, I'm adding a pinch of salt. Nothing much, just a pinch of salt. So I'm going to create a well here. And then I'm going to add about half to 3/4 cup of the pumpkin mixture here, the mashed pumpkin. I'm just eyeballing it, guys. No rhyme or reason, no definite measurement, but about half to 3/4 cup of the mashed roasted pumpkin there. And the rest I'm going to put down so I can make some pumpkin dumpling with some chicken next week, the day after or something like that. All right, so we're just going to use a fork there and mix it in. So we're going to form a dough. Fork is not working, so I'm just going to get my fingers down in it. All right, we're just going to knead it and bring it together. As you may or may not have noticed from my videos, that pumpkin, is one of my favorite food items because it's versatile. It can be used as a main dish, as with my pumpkin takari. It can be used as a side dish, and it can be used as a dessert, which I have a dessert video coming up hopefully on Wednesday, so look out for that. And what I'm going to do in the meantime is to create a playlist and put it down in the description box. So right here now, I move it from the dish and have it on my board here. I'm just sprinkling some flour on there to sort of get rid of that stickiness there. All right, and right here I'm just going to roll it in a sort of log there so I can get to handle it better. And I split it in two, and then I'm just now going to form the gnocchi. All right. Just get the knife and just cut down there. Cut to that size there. All right. So I'm going to stir and boil with me cutting all of them. So I'm just going to share what I'm going to do to them. So I'm just going to take a fork here, dust it with some flour, and then just imprint it on the gnocchi there. Just, to pretty it up. Give it a pretty look. Yeah, man. So we're going to finish up the rest and then come back and then we move forward. And this is what the finished product is looking like. All right, so we're going to start cooking them now. So we're going to put them aside, put on a pot with some water, and then start cooking them. All right. The water is now boiling. I'm gonna add some salt, and then add our prepared gnocchi down in there. We're just going to boil them just like our boil our Jamaican dumpling for about 20 minutes. So we're going to give it a good stir to prevent sticking or clumping together. And then, as I said before, we're going to boil it for about 20 minutes or so, and then we'll come back. It has now been about 20 minutes, so we're going to drain them, and then we'll come back, start on the sauce. I'm now ready to start on the sauce. So I'm adding about a tablespoon of coconut oil, to which I'm adding some chopped onions that I'm going to saute for about a minute or two. This is a very simple sauce, guys. Very quick and easy. All right. Half a scotch bonnet for heat and spice, and about a tablespoon of chopped garlic. I'm just going to run this for about a minute. And right here now I'm adding about a cup of marinara sauce. That that has added spice in there and all. Yeah man. Give it a good stir. And then I'm going to be adding about quarter cup of water. And then we're going to leave it on the stove to simmer for about 10 minutes. I'm now ready to add my gnocchi, my pumpkin gnocchi to the sauce here. And look at that beauty. I really want you guys to try this quick and easy vegan meal. You can have a meal without having any meat, any dairy, or anything like that. Very satisfying, delicious, smells so good, very pleasing to the eyes. I wish you guys could smell it. I give it a quick taste. And it needs a little sauce, a little salt. Sorry about that. So I just want to sprinkle just a little bit of salt on there to blend the flavors together. And then that's it. Quick and easy meal you have. All right, we're going to dish it up and then we'll come back. Yep. Quick and easy meal, guys. Look at that steam coming from it. It's delicious. But this, you can add some cheese to it if you so wish. You can have it by itself. It's just as delicious. Yeah, man. So my toddler joined me there. Look at that. Beautiful and very delicious. All right. Thank you so very much for watching, guys. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. See you on my next video, guys.